Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. Today we are going to discuss a new topic along with follow-ups, and the topic is describe a company that employs a lot of people. You should include the following points: name of the company, what it does, how many people it employs, what kind of people work there, how do you feel about it. Let's move to the answer. The first point is name of the company. I live in Moga city, which is developing rapidly, and I know many successful corporations in my hometown that are excelling in their sectors. Although I like almost all the companies, but here I am going to talk about a specific organization that has become a landmark of my hometown. Landmark means an object or feature of a landscape or town that is easily seen and recognized from a distance. The name of the company is Nestle India Limited, which is housed in the outskirts of my city. I have chosen Nestle as it is an international company in my city. You can talk about any company, either educational or manufacturing, and if there is any company that deals in dairy products in your city, then you just need to change the name. The second point is what it does. Nestle is a well renowned international organization that is associated with the manufacturing of consumer goods. It has more than 100 branches all around the world. It produces chocolates, dry milk, noodles, baby food, coffee, breakfast cereals, bottled water, snacks, and yogurt. All the products are health friendly. I vividly remember once a trip to this company was organized by my school authorities, so I got a chance to visit it. As soon as I entered the factory, I was astonished to see the cleanliness it maintains. Astonished means surprised. In order to ensure hygiene, food is provided inside the company for employees, and no one is allowed to bring anything with them. The next point is how many people it employs. Since it is the largest manufacturer of consumer goods worldwide, it employs about 300,000 people around the world. In my hometown, about 2,500 workers are working in this company. It hires many workers every year and never exploits them and gives them high remunerations. Remunerations means income, salary, or payment. Apart from it, it gives perks and bonuses to the workers during special occasions and festivals. So, whenever there is any vacancy in this company, everyone tries their best to get employment there. Our next point is what kind of people work there. This company employs people with good management skills. It selects professionals from a variety of fields such as marketing, management, human resource, and engineers. Also, a security guard is deputed at each gate of this factory to ensure security for everyone. The last point is how do you feel about it? I really like this company and the products made there. All in all, I feel proud that I have such a company in my city. So, if I get a chance to work with this famous organization, I must grab the opportunity. Now, we will move to our follow up questions with the answers. And the first question is it easy to find a job in India? The answer is well, taking into account the current situation, I would say it is not a cup of tea to find a job, and there are many reasons. The main cause is that due to the pandemic, most of the companies such as schools, institutions, factories are not operating. A cup of tea means easy. So, finding a job is not a cup of tea. It means it is not an easy task nowadays. There is a lockdown in my city, so getting a job has become a hard nut to crack. Secondly, There is a stiff competition nowadays. There are fewer jobs in India and the population is escalating rampantly. Due to these reasons, it is difficult to find a suitable job for people. A hard nut to crack, it means difficult. Escalating means increasing. Rampantly means at a fast pace. Now we will move to the second question. The second question is, what should the government do if there is unemployment? And the answer is, it is difficult to answer this question because unemployment is a matter of grave concern. However, I believe education is the key to solve this issue. Grave concern means a serious issue. If citizens are literate, they can either find a good job in multinational companies or can have self employment. Also, the government should invest in technology. It will lead to the creation of many job opportunities that will mitigate unemployment. Literate means those people who are educated, and mitigate means to remove, to decrease. Our third question is a high salary important? And the answer is definitely. Employees with higher remunerations are more satisfied with their jobs and life. They feel encouraged and do their best in the company. In fact, money is the key factor nowadays as everyone wants to get more income to fulfill their basic needs. Since there is inflation in my country, people can only fulfill their needs if they are earning good salaries. That is why high salaries play a crucial role. Crucial means important. The fourth question is, are there any big companies in your country? And the answer is, of course, India is developing with each passing day, so there are several big organizations in my home country. There are companies like Reliance, Tata, Bharat Petroleum, Wipro, and ITC. Moreover, there are some multinational companies like Nestle, Sony, IBM, Microsoft, Mahindra Group, and Infosys. So, these are the big successful companies in my country that are growing rapidly. The fifth question is, how can a small company grow big? And the answer is, well, there is tough competition among the companies. Since good service is the key to the expansion of a business, a company must ensure customers' satisfaction. Also, an organization should focus on quality rather than quantity. The market research also plays an indispensable role for the company. So, I think these are some of the factors that can help a company to grow. The next question is, should big companies pay more to charities? The answer is yes, I do think so. I believe if anyone is capable of helping the needy and underprivileged, they must donate. Underprivileged means poor people. Big companies are selling their products at hefty amounts, so if they donate, there will be a balance in the society. Such philanthropic activities by big companies can help the society to a great extent. Hefty amounts means at higher prices, philanthropic activities means social work. Unfortunately, these corporations are giving less money, which proves to be a drop in the ocean. To be a drop in the ocean means very little. The seventh question is, what are the good things about working in a big company? And the answer is, working in a well renowned and big company brings several benefits for the employees. First of all, they are paid handsomely if they work in a big company rather than working in a small organization. Well renowned means famous company. Handsomely means higher salaries. They also get perks and bonuses from the company. Apart from it, they get a name and fame. as most companies remain in the news, and if an employee is working in such an organization, he will also get recognition in the society. Moreover, their job opportunities increase while working in a famous workplace. Their experience matters a lot, and employees can apply for jobs anywhere. So, there are many benefits of working in a big company. If you find this video informative, please like and share, and stay tuned for many more videos.